Okay, this is a house in Kempsville, and you can hear someone mowing, but this is the backyard. It's wetlands, protected wetlands. It's gorgeous. I'm on the screen. Oh, it looks like here, honey, there's a palm tree. Palm tree. And I'm on the screened in porch, which is, oh, I better slow down. Super cute. And then there is a sunroom inside. Mind if I shoot a little video?
No,
So we go
go for
through.
it.
So here's the kitchen. As you can see, it's enormous. And that wall there is the wall that goes into the family room area. You can see the kitchen goes all the way over. And then there's the table, the dining area. So there's a lot of space. Then we go down this little hall, and there is a full bathroom with a shower and a bedroom with a door to the bath and a closet. And these windows are beautiful. They certainly look like they're newer. They look like they're in great shape. That's out the window. Okay. I'm going to transition a little bit here, so it's going to get jerky. Continuing down that same hallway, or not continuing down the hallway, there's a big closet. There is a laundry room, washer, dryer. There's a door that goes to the driveway, which is huge. Like, you could easily put a basketball hoop kind of straight ahead from where we are and have half court line almost. And then here is, oh my goodness, Tyler, you should see the garage. Yeah. So it's a 2-car garage, but it's a big 2-car garage,
Yeah, it's huge.
with space here, and look at that workbench tee. And then, yeah, room for two cars.